Hey, Lance Sumner here out in Springfield, Virginia, and today I want to share with you why it's important to be using video within your marketing efforts for your business, online business, whatever you do. And it's probably well known to the majority of people that video produces great results in comparison to some other venues such as email marketing and other things. And I've kind of known that, but never really implemented using video consistently, and was more focused on email marketing, driving traffic in a different means, and to produce the results and to build up an audience or customers or whatever that is. But after listening to a couple the other night, Ace and Rich, a wonderful couple, sharing how they were producing greater results through video than anything else, and shared some of those key points why we should be using it. And so I want to share with you today that, as you can see, it's very simple. This is a YouTube channel. You can set one up for free and then just create a video and then post it on your channel. But take the time, do your own due diligence, do a little Google search, go to YouTube and search for, how to set up a YouTube channel. How should I set myself up if I want to do video with the right equipment? And that's what I want to share with you today. It doesn't cost much to do so, and yet you can set yourself up pretty professionally. So recommend definitely getting a quality microphone. I use a Blue Yeti, and just kind of show you that there. And it provides quality voice for when you're doing the video. Now that cost me about $130. It doesn't mean you have to go and get a Blue Yeti. Do your own research. Go to Amazon. Amazon's a great place. Love it. But you can read about the different kind of microphones by doing a Google search or on YouTube. And get yourself a little bit of backlighting. Doesn't cost much. Have backlighting for about $17. It'll clip on USB connected lighting, and maybe you can see it when I turn on the brightness. This one has 10 levels and different tones of color, and you can see it brings it up, or I can turn it to different tones and then bring the level down so it's not too bright. But you have an option. That was only $17. Now behind me, but when they shared this, why I should get these things and get set up to do it professionally is because, one, it doesn't cost that much, and you can really provide a good quality video. And so behind me, maybe you can see it on the bed. This came in. Now this is, how you can put the right filtering over your microphone, of course. But you have something to connect up, hook up to your desktop, and then be able to set it up. This is just the kit. That was about $30. And you can hook it up to your desk thing, and then make sure that that microphone can swing over, be where you need it, the right distance, and even with the filtering. And get yourself set up. And that was only, like I said, $30. The light, $17. Blue Yeti, $130. Not everybody can spend that much on a microphone, understand? So just research. Go on Amazon. There's cheaper microphones. Main thing is just get started. Video produces great results, and go look at a good YouTube site and how they do what they do in their video, and then read their description. See how they set up their description block in that format, and give you ideas on the best way, or go search to how to set up a actual YouTube site and what's the best way, in doing descriptions and that kind of a format. So I've learned from a couple of people and I've gotten better at it, and with it having a couple of links within the description block, it produces results, because people say, hey, I'm interested, I want to click here and look at this, and then they opt in through that link, put their email in there, and all of a sudden they now are become a subscriber to get more information, and also subscribe to your channel to come back and see more videos that you're doing. So you're building up an audience, a larger audience as you go. And that's producing results. So the bottom line is, if I was you and you've never thought about doing video marketing, or you're scared, I can't be on camera. Yeah, just start. And don't even post it. Do a video, watch it, see if you like it or not, and then maybe you redo it. And the more you do these, the more comfortable you'll become, and the better you will get at it. Practice makes perfect. But if I was you, and I should have been doing this a little bit more before with consistency, because I wasn't, it produces results and has begun producing results as I'm starting to do the videos now on a more consistent basis. So if you really want to build your business large and expanding, then definitely consider implementing video marketing into your business. So anyway, I hope that was helpful for you. I want to show you just a few things. You can go to Amazon. You know, a little setup like I mentioned to you that's on the bed behind me. Let you get this kind of a setup where you can put your mic in here. All about, like I said, $25 for this one, $30 or so. Over here, the Blue Yeti. It was just kind of giving you an example. You know what I'm using, and you can see how much it costs. They come in different colors: silver, black, blue. Blue might have been pretty cool. Could have got a blue. I just chose silver. And let's see. And then over here, the little backlighting that you can have. So, and it has different, you know, like say 10 brightness dimmer, a little bit of color modes, different color modes on here. And like I said, that was only about $17. So do your own research. Come in here and search on Amazon and do a little reading review. What's the best of the best? And set yourself up professionally and get going and rocking it within your business doing video. Hope this was helpful for you, and look forward to your success out there in everything you do.